Hello guys, what's up? My name's Aline and today I'm here to tell you guys a little bit more about Meticore and things like how to use it, where to get it from, what are its benefits and things like that. Because I've been using Meticore for a while now and I've had amazing results with it. So I decided I should recommend it to my friends as well, friends who wanted to lose weight. So I recommended Meticore to some friends of mine and they started using it also and they started having amazing results. So it's about time to share these things with you guys. So the first thing that you guys should know about Meticore is where to get it from. Guys, Meticore is only sold on their official website. Now, unfortunately, people started seeing that Meticore started having so much benefit in the market and started selling like crazy. So of course people started creating fakes, and fakes can lead to bad results. Fakes can lead to side effects and things like that. So you really need to be careful where you buy Meticore from. Now, Meticore is only sold on their official website. So to help you guys out, I have left the link to their official website down below in the description box of this video. Remember, you can only get the original product in the official website, okay? So moving on, what is Meticore? I'm pretty sure you're asking yourself that. Guys, Meticore is a Japanese supplement that helps you eliminate weight. Now, it is a herbal supplement, and we all know that Japan is really famous for their traditional herbal medicines. So, Meticore, since it's all herbal, it means there are no side effects, meaning that anybody can take it. So, if you have contradictions, if you take medicines, you will not have any problems taking Meticore because it's all natural. It is also approved and certified by the FDA, so you know it's legit and you can really trust it. So, that being said, I'm pretty sure I got you more excited about Meticore now, right? Guys, Meticore, in case you're wondering, you need to do the treatment correctly, okay? So, if you want to have like really great results, you need to take it every single day and not like this week and then next week for a few days. No, you need to take it every single day regularly. And I personally like to take Meticore during the breakfast because since it's a supplement, you mix it with water, 1 spoonful in a cup of water, and it becomes like a tonic, and you just drink it and it's really tasty as well. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Take it in the morning because it's easier to remember and it's better actually. Also, you do need to remember that Meticore is no magic. So you will start to see like initial results in a few months, okay? It is recommended to take the product for at least 3 months to get really great results. But you do need to keep in mind that you need to keep a balanced and healthy diet, okay? So you cannot just take a supplement and not eat healthy. You do need to eat healthy. And the key point is to drink plenty of water. You must drink lots and lots of water. I have my cup of water here right next to me because I'm still taking Meticore because I love it. And yeah, that is key information, okay? Drink lots of water because lots of water helps you to lose weight. So Meticore also speeds up your metabolism, making it easier for your body to burn off fat. But you do need to keep in mind that each body will react differently. Like my body can have a faster metabolism and someone else's body can have a slower metabolism. So people see different results at different periods of time, but that doesn't mean that Meticore will not work, okay? It will work for everybody, but just be realistic about the results and the time, okay? So yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what I had to tell you. And remember, you can buy Meticore on their official website, only on their official website, okay? And if you do start taking this product, remember to take Meticore seriously and drink it every day. And they recommend to take it for about 3 months, but I'm taking it for more now, and because it's amazing. It's been giving me great results, and since it's a herbal supplement, like I don't have any issues with it. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Trust me, try it out. You will fall in love with it. I know lots of people that fell in love with it, and they're still taking Meticore. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video has helped you guys out. I really hope that you try Meticore, and I really hope that you have excellent results with it. So take good care, everyone. I'll see you around. Bye.